Guys, I have something to show you. A Philippines flag. Look. This is it. Look. If you flip the flag of Philippines, you will go into prison like this. Don't flip the flag. Let's go. So cool. I buy this into Shopee. I buy this. So very cool. Look at here. Look. So cool, guys. Guys, what are you from? Philippines or USA? Comment down below. Look at this. This is a Malay Las. Okay. Bye-bye, guys.